Hi, join me. Let's unbox this package, beautiful package. I bought a wireless microphone for my content so that the audio will be good, the sound will be very good, and also a new phone, pack of phone. This is no paid advert, please. This is not an advert. I'm just happy and decide to share with you guys what I just bought. So let's look at what is inside. It's actually two microphones. You can see the first microphone. Now this is the receiver that I will connect to the phone, and then there are other smaller receivers that I can connect for the one for iPhone and other ones like that, USB cords and some other stuffs like that. And you can see the microphone. This is the first one. Like, I just decided to test to clip it on my shirt to see how it goes. I'm super excited because I know that it's going to be good. And now that is the first one. And then the second one, I also want to fix it there. One for me, one for you. You know, there are two. So because I want to switch to interview content, so one will be yours, one will be mine. And then I'm done with the microphone. Let's look at the phone. I've not used this phone before, but the seller told me to buy that is very good for content creation, so I decided to give it a try. Although I'm preparing to buy a better one, I just bought this one for a start. Let me just see how it goes. If it serves the purpose, then I'll use it, but if it doesn't, I'll give it out and go for a better one. So let's look at it. You can see the charger, nice beautiful white charger, and then the cord, very nice. Everything is so organized in the phone. I actually love the way they package everything. And now let's look at the phone proper. The first thing that caught my attention in this is the color of the phone. I love the color. Very nice, beautiful color. And it looks nice. You can see my beautiful phone. I don't know whether you are seeing it. I'm trying to show you the color. Like there is reflection here. You can see beautiful color. And it seems to be that the phone is going to serve me the way I want it. So at this point, I'm checking the applications to see how clear the camera is and other things that are contained in the phone. And looks good. Let me share it. Look at it. Very good. It's very nice. So I'm going to be using this one, with the microphones to create my content. Just join me in this journey because I'm going to share amazing content. Let me see if the receiver will connect well. It seems to be that it's going well, It seems to be that it's connected. Let me see. Wow, it has connected and I believe it will work well. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Give this video a thumb up. Like this video. See you in our next video. Bye-bye. Thank you.